This judiciary is an important temple for us. It is just like Mandir, Masjid, Gurudwara and Girja. It is our supreme authority for delivering the justice to the people, the last frontier for getting justice and upholding constitutional rights. I believe this judiciary is government of the judiciary, by the judiciary, for the judiciary. No. Government, this judiciary is of the people, by the people, and for the people. If judiciary cannot help us, means not me, the common people, then where the people will get the justice? When the people, any problem comes, when we have seen some atrocious, terrible things, then only we hope with a greater interest that only judiciary can solve this problem. And we just watch judiciary. We think they are our the big pillar of the foundation of this country to save the democracy, to save the constitution, and to save the people interest and everything. We are honored and grateful, and I think our privilege that Mr. Chandrachud has initiated so many things, especially for digitization and e-judiciary, e-legal system. In our state, we are e-governance, we are number one, sir. You'll be happy to know. And in our state, we have already Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court has mentioned, we gave 1,000 crores we already spent for judiciary for development. Also, we provided 70 acres of land, and also we provided land for another new high court. That's a Rajarhat, it's a posh area. You asked me one building, I gave it next day. I vacated this building for government, and next day I provided this. We have 88 fast-track court, though earlier Attorney General is here for his information. Earlier, Government of India should have provided the assistance for this fast-track court. But before 8 years ago, they have withdrawn all these facilities. But now we are the only state we are running 88 fast-track court. Out of that, 55 women fast-track court. And also we have 6 POSCO court. We have 19 human rights courts. We have so many courts like this, and also Jalpaiguri Circuit House, Circuit Bench also, it is new one. And our Judicial Academy, it is one of the biggest academy in the world, and it is very popular. We are proud of our students, and whoever is coming from the judiciary, they are the asset of the country and the asset of the world. Only my humble request will be to all of you. First, I want to apologize to mention this to all of you. It is not my intention to humiliate or manhandle to anyone, but my submission, my kind submission, that please see no political biasness in judiciary. Judiciary must be pure, absolutely pure, honest, secret, and let the people do the puja. Like Sanskrit, they say sometimes puja, sometimes for all the caste, all the creed, all the community, all the people. Even northeastern people are here from Andaman. They are really neglected. Give them bigger opportunity. Sometimes to come to Calcutta and other places also for their greater interest, because nobody takes care for them. They are really neglected. I will appeal for them also. With this word, thank you very much for convening this conference here, and please do it in every time. From our side, there are so many places are available also. I thank to ITC for organizing all these things, West Bengal government, my chief secretary, my police commissioner, my law ministry, my finance ministry, and all, and press media and all. But at the same time, I will request you to do it more and more so that we can interact and we can open our mouth also. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.